Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you this new airdrop in which all of you need to jump in and get started with it. This is known as PAWS, and this PAWS just launched on the 28th of this month of October, and a lot of people are already earning from it. All you just need to do right now is to jump into it and get started without delaying no more. Now right guys, all you just need to do right now is to use the link in the description of this video and get started with it and jump into this PAWS network. So guys, this PAWS is just like the dogs, in which all of us know took dogs just 4 weeks to 5 weeks and they were able to launch their network. They were able to launch on the Ton network and all of that, and we all know how dogs was able to benefit a lot of people. And this particular PAWS is trying to imitate them as well, because in 2 days they were able to accumulate more than 2 million followers on their Telegram, on X and other social media handle, and they are now growing as fast as possible. Now if you go to their leaders board, you'll see that a lot of people are now earning from this. Now can you imagine that someone is earning more than 31 million PAWS right now, all just because the individual has a lot of community. Now if you have a community in which you are growing, you can also decide to share your referral link and then earn more PAWS and enjoy using it. Now this particular airdrop is like the dogs, like I said earlier, and all you just need to do is to do the tax, and then that's all. You don't need to tap. You don't need to start tapping and all of that. All you just need to do is to do the daily tax, and then you earn more points as you want. Now, if you go to the tax aspect here, you will see that all you just need you to do is to follow their Telegram channel, follow them on X, and then if you have the opportunity to invite 10 friends, you earn more. And you also need to connect your wallet as well. So when you do all of these things, you earn more coin. The partnership aspect is also on its way coming. Once it comes, you do the tax and then you earn more from it. So for those of you who have a lot of individuals who you can refer, the more you refer individuals, the more you get more PAWS and you accumulate more points for yourself in this particular aspect. All you just need to do is to share your referral link to individuals, and they will join you on this particular PAWS network, and you earn more PAWS and enjoy using it. So guys, if you are still here, all you just need to do is to use the link in the description right now, join the PAWS and earn more PAWS and start accumulating PAWS for yourself. And in no distant time, it will be launched, and many of us will also enjoy from it. So guys, do not delay on this. The earlier the better. As you start now, earn more PAWS for yourself and you enjoy using it. As I see you on the next one, please stay safe and good luck.